All
right, here we go. Second week of October. And that means we got holidays coming up. So as anybody that's seen our sneak peek videos, I got a little 5-year-old that wants everything in the store, so I need to make some extra cash. So we're gonna take Mr. Nicky Nick's idea over here and flip an Amazon mystery box. What do you think, Nick? What you bet? How much you think I'll flip it for? What do you think? Say in the next 2 weeks. You think? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna go get a mystery box right now. Look at Kate, not doing anything as usual. You paying back that. Slots? What are you playing? Oh, you're texting that guy again. Okay. His dentist. Let's go get a mystery box. We'll do a confused Mark. Let's see what we got. So I like the LPNs because that means you've got a better chance of getting something really good in there. They're $10 more, but to that, bigger reward means bigger risk. So we're gonna go with a regular mystery box because I know these are in stock all the time. So we'll just grab this first one right here, go pay Mark, and when I get it to the house, we'll go through it. Okay. All right. Got our Amazon mystery box. We open it.
Yay!
You see what's in it? What do you think? You don't know? Are you excited? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. What we got? Oh, purple shirt. Yeah. That's a nice shirt.
Okay.
What else we got? Furniture protectors. And we got lots of bobby picks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We get 6 boxes of peppers. That's a big bag. What is that? It's a yoga mat bag. Got a shirt. Let me see it. Go. Hold on. Yeah, I like shirt. The large. Or what's called? Try it. Kids large. In a pack. What is this? It's cool. Let's see. Shoulder back. The shoulder back. In a pack. Oh, just get a pair of socks. These are like $10, $15. Ring, hair, straight comb. That's a kitchen timer. Kitchen timer. What we got? That's 80 dash cam. Things don't be there. Dash cam. What are you gonna do with the kitchen timer? You don't even got that. Let's see. USB-C. Power cord. You know, pop it. What else we got here? This is extra large. Extra large cocoa leather. Pet warmer. Back down. Pet feeding mat. I don't know what those go for. And bright shoes. Those usually expensive shoes. Open that one.
Yeah.
Oh, they're the nurses. Yes, they are. Whoa. Alright, these are shoes. These are 8.5 medium. End of the box. We'll get pictures and we'll get all this listed. We'll see you guys when we get ready to list them. See how we got it.